YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's Turbo Turtle pressure side pool cleaner for above ground pools. So we're going to dive in and show you guys how to completely tear this thing apart from the outside in. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's Turbo Turtle. This is the above ground pool cleaner, pressure side pool cleaner. It does not require a booster pump, so it is a very efficient cleaner for those of you guys out there that don't have that additional piece of equipment. You guys can hook this thing up straight to a skimmer or dedicated pressure port that you guys actually have at your equipment. So if you're unsure, give us a call. Do a little bit more research on the cleaner. They do have other options out there for ones that do not have those dedicated ports, but for those of you that do, this will work for your system. So for today's video, I just want to go over the purpose for you guys of this white screw here in the front. So you guys can tell, obviously I don't have the Turbo Turtle up here, so I've already removed the top. If you guys want to know how to do that, make sure you guys check out the playlist in the link in the description. It'll actually show you guys all the videos from the outside in. So we've already removed the top, and then once you guys get that open, you'll see this entire mechanism here with these 4 hoses as well as this white screw. So this white screw is not meant to be removed. So you do not want to take this white screw off. It serves no other purpose besides making sure that when the Turbo Turtle top actually goes on, it doesn't have the ability to slide back. So the head of the turtle will actually slide in, and it has a dedicated little notch to slide into this gray frame. And then you have your 2 sink screws here in the back to attach that top. So this screw is merely meant to stay there so that as it sits flat, it won't slide back on the cleaner. So that if for whatever reason one of these screws gets stripped, or the plastic frame or something breaks, and you have issues from chemical composition, whatever it may be, this is an additional stopper to make sure that that top won't be able to just slide back and end up floating around your pool, sinking this thing to the bottom and causing you a disaster on trying to fish your cleaner out of the pool. So we just wanted to let you guys know the purpose of this. Do not remove it. It does have a washer dedicated on the bottom to help make sure that it keeps this thing plugged and keeps it afloat. So you guys want to make sure you don't take that out and put that back in, because it could cause issues where water gets in here and you're going to see your cleaner sink. So takeaway: do not remove this screw. It does have a purpose for the top only. So just wanted to walk you guys through that. Again, we're going to have a ton of videos coming your way on tearing this thing apart from the outside in. So make sure you guys check out that playlist in the description, and stay subscribed so that you guys can stay up to date on all our stuff. So really appreciate you guys watching. I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.